If living life on truly grand scale excites you, then K-Town Kivle might just be your calling. Hi, I am Ankita and welcome to another exciting episode of Behind Better Homes. Today, we are taking you inside the super impressive world of K-Town Kivle, already home to 900 plus families and exploring its many luxuriant amenities. Adorned with a dual clubhouse system, this is a place to be. The newly inaugurated Clubhouse 2 here is honestly something else. The moment you walk in, you know you're stepping into something ultra lavish yet super comfortable at the same time. If you ask me, there's nothing better than dipping your toes in the water and relaxing by the pool. And the swimming pool at K-Town Kivle surely is inviting. This beautifully designed pool with a social deck instantly draws you in. Perfect for a refreshing weekend swim, for kids to splash around and learn, or honestly, just to lounge by the deck and soak in the vibe. Super relaxing, super inviting. And what's more, you get to enjoy the super lush views of the elevated step garden right from the pool. Next up is the yoga zone, paired with a soothing water feature. And you can feel the calm the moment you arrive. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and your breath naturally slows down. With nature, flowing water, and silence all around, this is where the mind sets itself free and the soul truly settles into calm. Right beside it is the open air gym, where you get to experience fitness with fresh air. Your everyday workouts here feel refreshing and energizing, charging you up and inspiring you to be better. The K clubhouses here are the social soul of K-Town. Inside the Clubhouse 1, you'll find an aerobics zone with sweeping panoramic views of the entire project. And just imagine working out with that kind of backdrop. When it's time to truly relax and unwind, the indoor games area has got you covered. Table tennis, pool, chess, whatever your game is, there's something waiting for you here. Going beyond is the dedicated kids' play area, designed to accommodate the developmental needs of a child. It's a place where laughter fills the air and every day into cherished memories. Just ahead, an amphitheatre nestled amidst lush planters and decorated walls becomes the perfect setting for evening gatherings, performances, or simply unwinding under the open sky. It also comfortably hosts senior citizens park and garden sit-outs to converse endlessly. For those who love staying active, there's a half basketball court ideal for quick matches and daily fitness, followed by a full-size tennis court and badminton court designed for both practice sessions and competitive play. What K-Town takes into consideration is the ever-evolving active lifestyle needs of its residents and provides them with nothing less than absolute perfection. Adding to the excitement is another kids' play area with mini adventure zones. These adventure zones are thoughtfully created to spark movement, confidence, and problem-solving skills in young explorers. And then comes the Clubhouse 2, a place where convenience comes alive. Clubhouse 2 presents ample opportunities for its residents to enjoy a life easy to the T. On the ground floor, we have a music room and co-working space, curated specially to bring out your inner rock star and for you to find the perfect spot to get those great business ideas in place. As you move upward, the space opens into a multi-purpose hall perfect for celebrations and a variety of events, along with the creche and toddlers play area that give your little ones ample space to learn, explore, and find their safe space. Overlooking these amenities is a party lawn, a lavish gazebo, lush greens, and sit-outs that bring a sense of serenity and peace into life. At K-Town Kivle, every amenity isn't just added. It's thoughtfully placed to enrich and excite everyday living. It's all these smart, thoughtful touches that truly make K-Town shine. Every mood, every modern need, and every moment of living finds its place here.